guys, I'm going to make some sweet Jamaican fish tea today. And guys, I'm going to show you how I make my fish tea with green banana skin. So I do not remove the banana skin. I wash my banana properly and I slice it. Just like how we make manish water in Jamaica. We do not peel the banana to make our manish water. We just wash our banana and slice it and make our manish water. And that's the way I make my fish tea. You get a lot of benefit from it. So this is all the ingredients I'm going to use inside of the soup, and I will put it also in the description for you to know what I use. So guys, when you're making your fish tea, the first thing, choose fish that have less bone, because you do not want to drink your fish tea and have any bone going down your throat. No, we don't want that. So we need to use fish. When you're making your fish tea, you don't have a lot of bone inside of your fish tea, because if you have some fish very bony, you have to cook that fish first and then you strain it off and use the water to make your fish tea. But when you choose fish that have less bone inside of it, you can just go ahead and make your fish tea without strain it off.